Whoa, this is weird. The last time I've sat down like this was 3 years ago. Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. It has been 3 years since I uploaded a video. And yes, I'm still the same person. I'm in a completely different place, as you can probably tell. And I'm back to be doing videos. A lot has happened, to say the least. Currently, this is my apartment. I just moved across the world pretty much, and now I live in Lithuania where I'm attending university. I'm going to vet school, and school's already started, so yeah. And I thought, honestly, I had zero time at the end of, well, through all of high school pretty much, so I stopped making videos, and yeah, and it kind of just faded away. I still have people who obviously watch my videos, especially the packing and camp vlogs and all that stuff, but I definitely have missed making videos and stuff, and I thought, why not just start it up again since I'm in college. I'm gonna have more time, not really, but I don't have any activities I need to go to anymore. It's kind of just me studying for the rest of my life to become a vet. So yeah, I thought, why not just start it up again? We'll see what happens. I really want to be doing travel vlogs and organization and school tips. I mean, this is my first year in uni, so I don't even know what to expect, so I've been watching all kinds of other YouTubers. But yeah, that's my plan. It's so weird to be back, and I don't even have my own camera with me. This is me filming off of my own iPhone. So yeah, I just wanted to make this video raw, quick, to the point, basically to say that I am back, and please leave me all your video requests down below and we'll go from there. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.